Jack, how you doing? Good to see you.
Hi, Tommy.
Joe, Kaylin.
Good to see you.
So, you ready to install the gates today?
We sure hope so.
Well, how did you get started?
Well, these posts are joined by a beam underneath and rebar cage around it, all set in the ground and with concrete over it. So those posts can't sag over time.
So there's a lot of work that can't be seen out
That's
here.
right.
All right.
We had a long day here.
I bet you did. And the gates are all assembled. They're beautiful. I remember the last time I saw them in the shop, you guys were just putting the pieces together, showing me how it was going to go.
Yeah, exactly.
And I think this was one of the first pieces that we saw you make right here.
Yeah, this is one of the heels that we made. And this is, unlike the ones that we made, doesn't actually have a tenon. These are welded just because of the design, the construction, and the
Welded all
skate.
these joints. Nice job welding this up here. This is a beautiful piece right here.
Yep.
A lot of handwork there. What do you call these rings?
Oh, these are collars, so just a piece of bar with that shape around it, and then you get it hot and clamp it around there. And if you measure everything correctly and file everything right, it'll overlap each other and be seamless.
Wow, this is going to last a long time. Now these were tenons. We come down to this twist that I saw you make, which was pretty cool. And another tenon here. I see these aren't welded.
That's right, we have rivets going through, so you can see the heads on the bottom side here, but we countersunk them to get a clean line on the top.
Oh, that's clever. Nice and flush. Beautiful job. So what's the first step in setting these?
What we're gonna do is take each leaf of the gate and place it inside the frame and clamp it together as one unit, and then find where it lives and place the hinges.
All right. Well, I can't wait to see it get started.
Yeah.
That's good. Let's bring it over here.
Nice, Harry.
All right, now we need to lift up. There we go. And we get this started. Okay. There we go. Now that pin.
Nice.
We're in.
Got it. What we'll need to do is get that first hinge welded in on the other side and adjust it from there.
Sounds like a plan. All right, let's see how they open. I gotta say, these gates are absolutely beautiful. I know you have a little more fine tuning to do on them, but you guys did a fantastic job. You really should be proud.
Thanks, Tommy.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.